Notion change currency. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, go to your computer home screen and make sure your desktop is fully visible before starting the process. Find the Google Chrome browser icon among the available shortcuts on your screen. Once you locate it, double-click the Google Chrome icon to open the browser window. Wait for the browser to fully load and display all of its interface elements properly. When Chrome is ready to use, select your preferred Chrome profile from the available profile options. After your profile opens, click the search bar located at the top of the browser window. Type Notion.com into the search bar and press Enter on your keyboard to continue. Wait for the Notion website to load completely before moving to the next step. When the website appears on your screen, look at the top right corner of the page. Locate the Open Notion button and click it once to proceed to your workspace. Wait for your Notion workspace to load and display all of your pages and content. Next, check the left sidebar of Notion, where your pages and databases are listed. Find your database, such as the Monthly Expenses page, and click it once to open it. The Monthly Expenses table will open on the screen and display its existing records and columns. Hover over the number column header so that you can access the settings for that property. Click the number column header to open the drop-down menu containing additional options. From the drop-down menu, select the Edit Property option to continue. The Property Settings menu will appear and show the available configuration settings for the column. In this menu, click the Number Format option, which is currently set to US dollar. A list of different currency formats will become available for selection. Scroll through the currency list carefully until you find the Euro option. Once you locate it, click Euro to select it as the new currency format for the column. After making your selection, click anywhere outside the menu to apply the change and close the settings window.